batteries off. I'm going to clean them, and I'm going to use the multimeter and check the meter, and I'm going to use the load tester to test the load. Alright? First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to reach right here. I'm going to make sure the power supply is off to the truck. Here at J-Tech, we got an on and off switch because people leave the batteries on and kill the battery. Alright, take it off. I lose that strap, number one. Come to the right, I'm losing this strap, and I'm going to remove the battery box. That protects the battery. Put it way out of the way, make sure I don't trip over it. And I start off, always start off taking the negative side off first. Take the negative side off first, you won't have no power supply in the back when you go to take it. Okay. Got that one loose. Got that one loose. Negative terminal number 3 is loose. On to number 4. Now that I got them all unloosed, just take them off the battery. And I got the negative on. Set it up here, make sure I'm not touching any metal. And now we go back to, I got a smaller wrench to go to the back so when I go, I don't arc it out and make a spark. As you notice, I'm not going back that far. I'm just doing a little half a turn. Number 1 is loose. Number 2, I can keep your finger right here so I can hit right there instead of the wrench. The wrench hit it, you will see a spark. Number 3. Number 4. Alright. Got that one. Go down the line. Now that I got my 2 terminals off. No power supply. So I should arc off. Make sure my battery terminal heads are clean. Use this tool right here, put it down, turn, clean. Go to the next one. Turn, put it on, turn, clean. Next one, turn, clean. Next one. And I'm going to keep going on until all of them are done. Multimeter, turn it to volts, V. Set my meter down. I'm going to always touch the negative one first. Okay, negative. showing me that my battery has 12.68 meters with it off, with the truck off. So that's a good battery. So I'm gonna go to the next one and do the same thing. First negative, then positive. 12.72, that's good. I'm at 12.71. On to the next one. 12.71. Fourth battery. 12.71. So that's telling me that all the batteries have 12 volts taken at have 12.71 whatever. So that's good. So when I crank the truck up to check the alternator, it should take it up to 14.2. Alright. Next step. Go and put it back on. Back up. Always start with the positive. All my positive. Turn those back around. Put my wire back in and I'm taking off. Always use the small one so it don't arc out. Alright. One is tight. Going to two. Alright, two is done. lot closer back down here compared to the longer wreck, a little more leverage. But notice I always keep it in my hand, so in case if I hit that, it don't arc out. this process. Next step, take the battery terminal protectant. Using the battery terminal protectant, you want to spray the whole battery terminal and the metal parts around it. So we're gonna make sure it's red. Make sure it's red. This piece also, this metal piece also, make sure it's red. That and the metal piece, everything's red. The whole metal fitting. Okay, we do the same thing on the back. Three. So, make sure I got all my tools out the way, back on my box, and put my battery box back on. Back to the straps, hold it, look it, everything on this side, check it. That's the end. Hey, my name is Herbert Brady, and I'm at J-Tech College, studying diesel technology. And what today we're going to test the load on the battery. Alright, I got 4 batteries right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the negative first. You always start at negative. Put the negative on first. Next, you go to positive. When the power gets to the voltmeter, it automatically turns it on. Alright? And I'm going to go down to inner, out of vehicle because the batteries are not hooked up. Commercial. Regular flooded, and we're checking the cold cranking amp, so that's why I got it on CCA. Checking, that's what we're doing. We're checking the cold cranking amps. Okay, this battery is supposed to have 950 CCA, but it's supposed to be right here, but it's kind of off because we cleaned the battery so many times. But it's supposed to have 950 cold cranking amps, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter and start the test. Okay. As you can see, we measured the cold cranking amps, and it's reading 625 cold cranking amps. And our battery said that we required 950 cranking amps. So this battery needs to be replaced. The meter shows you replace battery. The battery needs to be charged, either charged up or replaced if it's got a dead cell. So, take the negative off and the positive. This concludes today's voltmeter test. It's Herb signing out from J-Tech.